Did Jesus teach tithe paying?
Woe unto you, scribes and Pharisees, hypocrites, for ye pay tithe of mint and anise and cumin, and have omitted the weightier matters of the law, judgment, mercy, and faith. These ought ye to have done, and not to leave the other undone.
During a time when Jesus was declaring that the scribes and Pharisees were in trouble because of the choices they continued to make, he makes an interesting contrast. He says that they were concerned with paying tithes on even the smallest things, but neglectful of things that are of more importance: judgment, mercy, and faith. However, he doesn't say that they should not have been paying tithes. He says that they should have exercised judgment, mercy, and faith while not neglecting to pay tithes.